Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong May 16 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan. So, extended na yan. Yung link nasa description at nasa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang. Okay, let's see. Scorpio. What's up? Energy update for Scorpio. May 16 to 31. Okay, the Hermit. So, I think ngayong second half ng May, mas magsuspend kayo ng time sa sarili nyo. No? Yung tipong me time, alone time, meditation. You are looking for answers, no? Siguro nagre-reassess ka ng situation mo or nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection. Ano yung kailangan baguhin? Ano yung kailangang i-improve? You have the 7 of Cups. Kaya siguro dahil maaring meron ka ring decision making ngayon, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay, ano yung gusto mong i-pursue. Some of you related sa relationship ito. Maaring yung iba sa inyo ay papasok sa isang relationship. 2 of Cups, Knight of Cups. May love offer. Okay? But yung iba, parang hindi ganun kabuo yung loob nyo na pumasok sa relationship na to. Parang you're not that sure. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng relasyon nyo na to, but merong feeling na something is missing or may kulang. Oo, baka kulang lang kayo sa sa intimacy. Oo. Or time together. Oo, kulang lang sa travel. Pagdating kasi sa relationship, yung bonding nyo ang importante dyan. How are you bonding? Nakaka-strengthen ng relationship. Yung mga bagong experiences together, especially pagta-travel, it strengthens the bond. Nagpapatibay ng inyong samahan. So, your overall energy is the Sun. Very positive yung ang inyong outlook sa buhay ngayon. Maaring parang meron kang wini-wish ngayon na mangyari or ma-experience. What is the Sun? Judgment. Oh. You want to reinvent yourself. Like a brand new you. Bagong ikaw. I feel like meron kang gusto ring i-release. I-release na mga bagay na no longer serving your highest good. Can be yung mga lagi mong iniisip na hindi naman na nakakatulong sa'yo. So, you are releasing that. Connections, things na sa tingin mo walang magandang benefit sa'yo. So, you have the 5 of Pentacles as your challenge. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation in terms of finances, pera. Pwedeng merong pangangailangan ng pera ngayon. Anything extra. Pwedeng may kailangan kayong tulungan or may kailangan pagkagastusan, pwedeng unexpected. You have the 10 of Staves. So, some of you, marami kayong mga responsibilities. Ito yung tipong hindi lang para sa sarili mo, but also doon sa mga taong nakaasa sa'yo. Some of you are breadwinners or meron pang mga taong sinusuportahan na, kasi yun yung binigay sa inyong responsibility ng parents ninyo. Pwedeng may pinapaaral pa kayong kapatid. O kaya, nagsusupport pa kayo sa parents nyo. Or maaring merong kailangang extra pa na ilabas na pera. So your opportunity is the Death card, which is about transformation, death and rebirth. So may ending rito. You are ending a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. So some of you may be related sa career to, no, or business, or sa work ninyo. What is the Death card? You have the Queen of Swords. Oh, ika-cut off sa buhay. Okay. I think, yung mga bagay sa buhay mo, situation that is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose, feeling mo na-drain ka lang dyan, or parang nasasayang yung energy na binibigay mo. What is the blessing? Three of Pentacles. Meron ditong pag-unlad. Oo. This is about expansion. Yung iba sa inyo, you're expanding your knowledge, your skills, your business. Kung may business ka, mas magdadagdag ka ng bagong pagkakakitaan. You have the Two of Swords. So, you are also in the process of parang deciding, no, which path to take. But I think, anytime soon, no, kasi blessing mo to eh, yung desisyon na mapipili mo will be good for you. Oo, parang better option siya kesa dun sa isa. So, for your money, career, finances, merong Three of Swords and the Devil. So, maring meron kayong ile-let go na unhealthy habits pagdating sa pera. Kung kayo ay medyo magastos o kaya parang meron kayong, yung iba kasi hindi magastos para sa sarili nila pero magastos sila para sa iba eh. Oo. So, maaring yung mga taong nagtitake advantage of your kindness, maaring you will be cutting off these people, no, out of your life. You have the Page of Vessels. Some of you, pwedeng you are going to focus on saan ka mas magiging masaya pagdating sa career, sa business, sa trabaho mo. Yung iba, medyo yung maglilay low pagdating sa attention mo about always money, no? Parang laging pera yung iniisip mo, pera. So, maaring yan yung babaguhin mo. Kasi you want fulfillment. Di ba pag laging pera yung iniisip natin, although, I'm not saying masama ang pera. I love money, okay? Kahit ako, I love money. But, kung masyado nang may obsession about money, it may hurt you. Kumbaga parang pwedeng masaktan ka. Lalo na kapag may disappointment sa pera. Let's see. What is... sa love life naman, you have the Ten of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. If you are in a relationship right now, maganda yung samahan ng inyong person. You may be dealing with a Libra, or an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I think ngayon you will spend more time with your family, no? Kung puro trabaho ka nung nakaraan, at na-realize mo na, teka, kailangan may magbago, pwedeng magbabago ka ng source of income kasi masyadong nauubos na yung oras at panahon mo sa trabaho, hindi ka na nakakapagbigay ng time sa iyong family. So, kaya mas priority mo ngayon ang iyong mga loved ones. Let's see what else. O, diba? Fourth house. Speaking of loved ones, home, family life. You will spend more time with your family. Conjunction, alliance. Yes, this is about strengthening your bond with your loved ones. Progressions, journey. Yes. Progressions is ibig sabihin may pag-unlad, may improvement. So when it comes to your family life, home life, you will improve your relationship sa kanila. Spending more time. Mas lalabas kayo together. May good news na parating. Oh, 'di ba? Ano kayang good news 'to? Anong good news sa ang area of life? Third house, which is your learning. Pwedeng good news galing sa school, pwedeng sa anak mo rin 'yan. Maganda yung yung performance ng anak mo. Happiness. Oh, ang ganda. Yan yung focus mo ngayon. To be happy. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. O, ayun na. I think yan yung mga ika-cut off mo sa buhay mo. Like what I mentioned kanina. No? Na hindi totoo sa'yo, hindi reliable, hindi maaasahan. Pwedeng lagi lang iniisip kung ano yung makukuha nila sa'yo. 'Di ba? But pag ikaw na yung mangangailangan, hindi mo na sila mahagilap. Okay? You're going to cut them off your life. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.